So now we come to the movements, ward off, roll back. Ward off, roll back is a very foundation move in Tai Chi. It can be applied in many ways, as a fist, a block, rolling somebody off, moving an arm out of the way, bouncing them out. But it's also a very good exercise for the breathing. Warding off is done with 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and on the front leg. So we don't go in the middle or the back. Most of the weight is on the front leg. So you can see from the side that my center is more towards the front than it is towards the back. Warding off is considered a yang movement, an outward going, forward, expansive movement. Roll back is done going towards the back leg. And as you move, you bring the hands downwards and inwards to your body. Warding off, we bring the right palm up so that it's facing you, and the left palm out so it's facing out. Turning the hands over left and right, we bring the hands back down. Warding off, the palm upward is facing you, the left facing out. Turn the hands over, sit back, and bring the hands down. So we go forward and backwards like this. As the hands move backwards, you're going to turn slightly towards the back foot. Don't overturn and twist. It must stay comfortable, but it should feel that there definitely is a turn sideways. As you move forward for the ward off, you turn forwards. Rolling back, moving forwards. Roll back, moving forwards. Once you've done a few repetitions on one side, you can move to the other side. With the left foot forward now, right behind. We bring the left hand up so the palm is facing you, a bit like reading a book. And the right palm is facing out. We turn the hands over, sit back onto the right leg and bring the hands down. Moving forwards, warding off. Moving back, roll back. Ward off, roll back. Ward off, roll back. Try not to bob up and down as you do the movement. For leg strength, which is very important for your health, you need to have one plane that you move on. Your head should not bob up and down. It just moves forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. The breathing for this movement is very natural. As the hands rise, we open up the rib cage, so it's a breathing in movement, or a yin breath as we call it. As you come forward, breathing in. As you come back, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. So this way your body acts a bit like a bellows. When it's opened, the air is sucked in, and when it's closed, the air is just expelled. So you can see this in the movement. The elbows rise, and the elbows drop. Yin breathing in, yang breathing out. Yin breathing in, yang breathing out. The intention for this move, the way that you move your chi, is to expand your awareness. Once you know the movement well enough, expand your awareness in all directions like a ball. So you breathe in and you notice everything around you, horizontally and vertically. Breathing in, breathing out. As you breathe out, bring your attention into your center of your body. Breathing in, expand your awareness out. Breathing out, bring your awareness in. Breathing in, expand your awareness out. Breathing out, your attention comes to your center. This is the movement, ward off, roll back.